Hey guys, what's up? My name is Miguel. Today we are not with the red Hemi. Today we are with the Ram. So we're working on the Ram while the car is being pro charged. I miss my car. I haven't had it in like 3 weeks. But the reason why is because, and I'll show you guys updates. The reason why the car's not done was because it's an 8-rib system and they don't make an 8-rib for the 5.7. So we are using a 392 intake manifold to make it fit. We have to move parts around, stuff like that. So that's the reason why the car's not done. And that's it. So we are working on the Ram, and we are painting the calipers just cause we already took it off, and really didn't like the whole what's it called, the whole like dirty gray look, almost brownish. So we went ahead and switched it, and there's a lot of wind over here, but I'm standing in a place where the wind's not hitting, so it shouldn't be making a noise. But we are putting new calipers, and not new calipers. We are putting new rotors and new brake pads. So the rotors that we are going with are the R1 Concepts, same style as mine, which is a slotted rotor kit, and performance brake pads. So my dad has been having issues with his, where he's not, like when it breaks, the whole car shakes because they're not braking right. So we upgraded him, and this is the E-Line series. This is not the Geomet series that I got. So the E-Line is still good. It's just like, I'm just showing you guys the whole installation process, because I tried to do the installation on my car, but I don't know, the video failed, so I'm making sure that this one doesn't fail. So yeah, everything's good here. We're doing this one, gotta paint it one more time just to make sure it's good, and we should be good there. And then we're gonna swap this one out, then we're gonna do the rear ones as well. So we're gonna get that done today, and I'm trying not to stand over too far because there's gonna be a lot of wind noise. So I'm just gonna show you a couple parts, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do want a set of R1 Concepts, I can get you a discount. I get you a guy that gets you a discount. All you have to do is just email him, let him know that you saw my video and you want a discount, and he can hook you guys up. So if you're interested, I'm gonna leave his email. But other than that, enjoy the video. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you guys next time.
Aquí el único problema, amigos, es que nos equivocamos de filtro. Este es más chiquillo y este es más grande, el que compré. Es que no anden haciendo eso.
Diga que es el Red Hemi hoy. Diga que es el Red Hemi hoy. Diga, hoy no estamos con el Red Hemi, estamos con la Ram.
La caja nueva. Por regresar el filtro.
¿Va a ir con Miguel?
Este filtro me lo dieron en Aurzon y no es de la camioneta. So, vamos a cambiarlo.
¿Le van a dar ese dinero para atrás?
Eso espero.
¿Qué ha hecho?
¿Eh?
¿Qué ha hecho?
Pues hasta ahorita me estoy haciendo pendejo todavía. Amigos, no hagan eso.
Miguel se va a enojar porque no hizo nada.
Esto no está bien tampoco, porque si vas a trabajar en mecánica, nada es que tomar.
¿Y por qué está tomando? Mírela con la mano bien cochinada.
Porque están bien ricas las cervezas. Entonces, tira ese video a la porquería, no sirve. Bueno, lo que sigue, ya no sé lo que sigue porque no tenemos filtro. Oh, sí. Okay. Esta va aquí, ¿ya? Y después, bueno, ya pusimos los brakes para atrás, los nuevos. Ya tenemos nuevos brakes aquí. Esta porquería Ahí está todo bien. Ahora lo único que falta es poner la llanta para atrás.
Seguro que le hizo bien porque Miguel en su carro lo puso todo mal.
¿Dónde está? ¿A qué hora viene Miguel?
No sé, dijo que ahorita venía.
Porque me cambia el pinche filtro porque ese no es.
Dijo que ahorita venía.
¿Dijo?
Y ya le habló a mi mamá y dijo...
Como que no tengo que filtro. Ese lo llevo ahora. Porque
Alright, and that's the final product. So that's how it looks. We have the slaughter version, smaller in the back, and then we have the bigger ones right there. So, I mean, as far as ride quality, everything comes out right. It feels better compared to mine. I mean, mine would be like that, you know, like there's the same ones. These are the Geomet series. These are the E-Line series. To be honest with you, it almost feels the same. I don't know, but I'm comparing it on two different vehicles. You know, if I had the same car, two different brake setups, it would be just different. But I mean, as far as that, I think mine run a little bit cleaner compared to these. These get a little bit more dirtier, so you can tell by that. But I mean, they are good brakes. I do recommend them, and like I said, if you are interested in getting them, just go ahead and email the person that I have in the description. He'll get you a discount code on them, and it's gonna be trust me, you're gonna want that discount code. So just tell him that I sent you and he'll hook you up. But as far as that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a like, and I'll catch you guys next time.